In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot audio issues you're experiencing on your Asus laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and select that. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. And then underneath get up and running, you want to select where it says playing audio and then select run the troubleshooter and give that a moment. And then again, I'd recommend following along with its on-screen directions, and then hopefully your issue should be resolved once it concludes. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.